The Magnificent Seven have lost another $500 billion of market cap since the stock market opened today. This brings two-day losses to over $1.1 trillion for the Magnificent Seven. In other words, the Magnificent Seven has just erased nearly double the entire market cap of Tesla in just 2 days. Is the bubble popping? Well, I want to bring you over and take a look at Roaring Kitty's emojis really quick. And in this video, we're going to mash together the market and GameStop and AMC and really figure out what's going on. We had this emoji right here after the sort of 4th of July event / Trump event happened. Then you're kind of on this fire and crash emoji, and then the beers are the last ones. If you look this up on Google, this is the crash emoji. Or you could take this as two ways, right? This is either the crash emoji, or this is a burst or explosion, or just like the emoji shows us, it means both. Meaning you could see a stock market crash and an explosion in GameStop and AMC's price based on the emoji's definition, signifying excitement, a sudden noise, or a figurative explosion such as a burst of anger or excitement. Chances are it means excitement, seeing that his emoji afterwards is cheers with the beer. Now this leads us into what could potentially happen. The Volkswagen stock market 2008 crash, the largest squeeze that we have ever seen. Is the market falling off a cliff? Let me know in the comments down below. We're going to touch on the SPY after AMC and GameStop and kind of give you an outlook as to what is happening. I just did something crazy with my long-term portfolio, and I see a lot of opportunity here. Again, quick reminder that nothing I say is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. AMC is trading at $5.10, and yes, let's go. We are up about 9% on the day. Based off of where we are trading at right now, we really needed a bounce at that level to completely line up with what we've been tracking. You bring it over to what we've been tracking. AMC bounced off of this level here. This is the second arrow that we have lined up, and you slowly chop trade upwards. Now, coincidentally, I wasn't necessarily going to bring this up because it doesn't really matter, because it doesn't have to play out exact, but the first day after this bounce into after hours was about an 8% day, 9% day. And that's what we're seeing right now. And then you have this channel trade upwards to gap higher and then essentially squeeze. What does that mean? That means AMC is going to do something very similarly like this if everything is lining up. Okay, AMC is going to come up. It's going to get rejected around $5.35. Get smacked back down, and then once it breaks over that, you're going to come up above $6.30 to potentially above $7 before retracing back down and building a base at $6.30 and then squeezing. Okay, what that might look like is this. I'll bring it in yellow for you so you guys can see it a little bit better. This is something that it would look like going forward, and AMC is playing out pretty perfectly here. So that's a beautiful thing to see. As far as GameStop goes, GameStop changed their logo to a red logo over here on X. Now, this could mean nothing, or it could very well mean something important for us. First of all, Roaring Kitty posted a meme, pushed a little red button. Does that correlate? Well, it's also the Kansas City Chiefs colors. Not really sure, but drop your conspiracies in the comments down below. Or does this mean a partnership with AMC? GameStop, take a look at where we circled. I want to bring up something very important right now. Based on previous cycles, this is what GameStop is doing. Broke out of an ascending support trend line, broke under structural support, came up and tested the top of it. You can see it couldn't close above it right here. GameStop, if we cannot close above $25.85, do not get excited. I'm just going to say that right now. Don't get excited at all. If we close above $25.85, then we want to close above $30. And that's where we stand on GameStop. As far as the whole crash scenario, this could very well lead GameStop much higher. The SPY, I expect a rejection at either 546.60, which is what I said this morning, in which we just broke over, or about 548.30. Okay, I'm watching these levels on the SPY. This is the only time the SPY broke out of this ascending channel that it has been in. And I think there's a lot more blood in the water for Tesla, for Nvidia, other tech stocks, the SPY, the overall market. I think a crash might be coming prior to the election. And what I want to let you know is I would never recommend this. I sold off a lot of big plays that I had in my long-term safe plays, ETFs, because I see a big warning here. and it's very bad to try and time the market, and I'm going to attempt it, right? I see a big warning coming. I'm also playing this. I entered puts on SPY. I'm doubling my position once it gets to 548.30, and maybe I get wiped out. Nvidia, 115.95, also looking for another short here. If it comes up to about 117, especially if it comes up to 118, I would double down. Tesla, targets have been hit for SPY, Nvidia. Tesla, we have been on the money. Tesla's coming into this zone. I'm just saying I don't expect Tesla to break above 231.50. And at that point, if it gets above that, if it gets above 232, I will be entering puts as well on Tesla. Bitcoin is now scaring me. It broke below the support at 66,500, came down, bounced. This is scaring me because it looks like a head and shoulders is forming. And once that is formed, it is going to be very scary to continue to hold Bitcoin up until the November election. I just see blood in the water until then. Once November comes around, expect everything to rebound, but I see temporary opportunity to sit on some cash. Now, a couple last sprinkles on top. Kamala Harris will not be attending or speaking at the 2024 Bitcoin conference, and that is because she says Bitcoin is money for criminals. What do you guys think about this in the comments down below? Overall, that is what I got for you guys for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching or found value out of the video. Make sure to check the third link under the video so you can come check out my trades as soon as I enter them. And come talk with me and the most amazing people, stocks, and crypto all day long. It is a coffee a month. Come level yourself up. There are no bad questions. Whether you're a beginner or advanced trader, this is the place to go. That is the third link under the video, and it is the third link pinned in the top of comments. The second link, brand new promotion for Moomoo. It's free. Don't feel obligated. But hey, if you want free money and you want good benefits, they're giving you up to 20 free stocks and allowing you to earn 8.1% APY on your uninvested cash by going through my link, opening an account, and making a deposit into there. They're also giving you level 2 order book data for free, access to trading options, going long, going short, viewing other exchanges, and more. And the very top link under the video is for my custom indicator in which you can plug into your TradingView charts. There's also a free trial for it, so go fiddle with it. And I only do a free trial because I really think that you guys will like it. It is pattern detection and forecasting. It auto-generates patterns, gives you price targets, and forecasts what the stock might do. That is it, guys. I love you all. Lottery sucks out. Just a quick reminder what it might look like in case you did get in the Discord. We want to turn your small account into a decent looking account and teach you how to actually trade. And overall, I like the Discord. Sleek, very simple, not like every other Discord where they overcharge and there's a ton of things to look at. Just come join. It's a big group chat and it is well worth it, guys.